I've had a lot of people ask if the Fed's recent decision to cut the federal funds rate a quarter point means that mortgage rates have dropped. And the short answer is probably not. The Fed funds rate is what banks charge each other for overnight lending. It doesn't directly set mortgage rates. Uh, Mortgage rates are based off of mortgage backed securities, bonds, and are actually reactive in advance of the Fed's decision. The first green arrow is on this chart is the day that Fed Chair Powell signaled at Jackson Hole that there would be a rate cut at this last Fed funds meeting. The second green arrow is the day that the much weaker than expected jobs report came out, and it pretty much guaranteed that the Fed would cut rates at the upcoming meeting that took place on Wednesday, which is the red arrow that you see here, where rates bumped up a bit. Each dash here represents a day and how much mortgage-backed securities move. And the bigger the dash, the more movement to bonds and therefore mortgage rates. So there wasn't a big difference between Wednesday and the day before, but rates did not go up or down a full quarter point. This chart is from Optimal Blue, and I think they give a good overview of mortgage rates. And so it is an average, and it is a day behind. So these aren't current rates. Contact me for current rates. So the dark blue second line from the top represents 30-year fixed conforming. And what this shows us is that on August 22nd, when Fed Chair Powell signaled the rate cut for the next Fed meeting, that mortgage rates started improving, and that is the green arrow on here. The red arrow indicates on Wednesday, after the Fed made the rate cut announcement of a quarter point, that mortgage rates started to trend just slightly higher. So bottom line is that rates are still lower, but not a quarter point drop in mortgage rates this week. And if you're curious how today's market affects your home purchase or refinance, let's connect. I'm happy to run numbers for your situation. Take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.